What up, YouTube? It's your boy Donald. Me and my wife is on our way to a white elephant party. As you can see, these are the gifts.
Why is everybody getting hurt?
Right now.
You live in downtown LA and you got your
Don't chip the coffee.
Yeah, we want to do like a women's picture only, so let's go ahead and like
Ladies picture.
Ladies, or do you identify
I'm short. Yeah, you too short.
Yeah, the two of us. We're little elves.
Yeah, oh, I left it at the table because it's heavy. Oh, I'm pretty warm. Yeah, this Christmas brought to
So, when it's all said and done at the elephant party, I ended up getting a blender. Well, actually, my wife got the blender, and I got the hot chocolate. So, you know, I would say we came out very successful on that white elephant party, and ironically, I wanted the blender. You know, so, hey, God is great. But yeah, as you can see, we got that blender, and I got my hot chocolate.